The temperature is holding steady at 80 degrees.
Thermal balance confirmed. We can maintain this flow rate.
This is the multi-effect evaporator. Preheated juice is pumped upward through these columns, boiling rapidly.
Check the flow rate on Unit 3.
Stable at 150 GPM. Efficiency looks good.
Here we observe the critical phase, reintegrating the aroma streams. The operators must ensure perfect flow balance for maximum efficiency. Utilizing advanced inline filters, the amber concentrate is rapidly transferred through sterile holding, monitored constantly by the quality control team.
Stability looks good.
Alignment confirmed. Ready for staging.
Pallet P7890 confirmed. Scan shows 100% accuracy.
Noted. Ready for outbound. In these clarification tanks, gentle agitation separates the heavy solids from the water, a crucial step in the filtration process. State-of-the-art facilities like this one store treated water in vast tanks, ready for reuse.
Focus on the welding output here. We maintain 98% efficiency this cycle.
Were there any issues with the new articulation sequence on line 3?
Minor recalibration, but it's logged for the next shift.
This spare parts inventory operates with clockwork precision, utilizing a professional workflow optimized for rapid retrieval and maximum efficiency. Panel gamma reading stable at 480 volts.
Confirmed. System efficiency at 98%.
Noted.
Logging the data now.
This steam generation plant is the heart of our operations, running 24/7 with peak industrial efficiency.
Everything seems to be running at optimal capacity.
The climate control is perfectly balanced.
Here, production lines operate with seamless precision, processing thousands of lemons an hour with unparalleled industrial efficiency.
We need to ensure that interlock is regularly inspected.
I'll make a note for the next quarterly audit.
The temperature on the main line is fluctuating. See this spike here?
Yes, but the flow rate remains consistent. Let's keep an eye on it for the next 5 minutes.
Confirm the yellow crane moves those crates to Bay 12 immediately.
We need to reroute the incoming trucks due to the backup at Dock 4.
Understood. Updating the manifests now.
Rerouting the Gamma Sector shipment now.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the rail link timing.
Looks good. System confirms green status.
Seal checked and secure. Documentation verified. Ready for dispatch. Trucks arrive on a precise schedule, ensuring maximum workflow efficiency and continuous operation of the facility.
From the moment materials enter intake, our synchronized system ensures peak industrial efficiency across all processing and logistics phases.
The factory floor operates with surgical precision. Lemons move seamlessly from sorting to the concentrate machines,